Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends, and on the mix we have Maxine. Now, Maxine has a lot to say today as she is basically showing her face and she's talking about different things, about what women should do and what they shouldn't do hygienically. She's also speaking about Ashanti, and she's saying that she's basically trying to ensure that he is okay, but he's pushing situations. And so she's talking about that among other things. So go ahead and catch the video. And guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And have yourselves a wonderful afternoon.
I learned this. When you no see them they do, they have somebody else you do know. They have somebody else you do know. Cause they have to douche out the sperm but then just let go in there. Cause they don't have no reason for the douche. They don't have no reason if they not just a lot of people when they just don't see them period, then like to do the douching because then like to get down everything from out there. But a lot of them when you see the douche, gentlemen, don't listen to me. Listen to me. They're not supposed to the douche. They a man we do know. Yes. And no for uno young man where make the woman them they suck on pa uno dick, uno need to stop it. That's why no for uno dick now have no use. That is the reason why no for uno dick not having no use. Because they suck out every little cartilage out of it. You understand? They suck out everything out there. And they so used to them having them dick suck that if them buck up on a woman like me, we're not doing it. Then cock can't stand up. It cannot stand up. Cause them so used to somebody they suck panny. And that's the only way them cock can't stand up if somebody they suck it. But no, Maxine, no play them the kind of joke there. And for uno woman, while love make man up them tongue and down, that's why it's infection now left for now. Cause the man them more nasty like a that one day over there so. Yes, the one over there so I'm more green. While love putting tongue under people. Who no crutches now, infection now left for no crutches. If you no keep them make the man them they suck out everything and down no crutches. Infection now left for. Infection is going to be there forever. And no matter believe say uno get it taken care of. But you know still go back go make the same man suck you again. So he come back. Uno can't have sex and have a good time without all of them sitting there. Ross. Then Titi me never know say. Me never know say how impure lie me tell over here. You say true. I don't lie me they tell me. I tell them from doctor's part of view. Thank you. I know I'm looking nice. I'm just showing off for you guys today. Yes, today is a special day. So I'm just showing off on you guys today. Me have a lot of very important stuff me go deal with after me done this. Yes, me go deal with and talk to you about. No worry about the people them want to hear out there they chat. No worry about them. Them already they get good taken care of. No worry about them. When you no hear people out there they call me name, laugh. Put up, uno no go cuss them, cause me soon no they cuss them, you know. Uno not behaving on yourself. Where is Simpson? I don't see Simpson, you know. Simpson will make you won't behave yourself and let the people they make them chat what they want to chat. From me not call them name, me not talk to them, you know. At them they come under the page, you know. At them they come under the page. They won't leave the page alone. So when me come out and me they address anybody, and you see them fly up under there with them feelings, make them stay there with them feelings, baby girl. Baby girl, make them stay there with them feelings. Cause Maxine no do feelings. No, I don't. I don't do feelings. I do not do feelings. I don't talk to people. people who I can't relate to, people who can't spell, people who is dunce and dumb and all of them, something me can't talk to them. Because they get ignorant. Me get iggy for them. Like really, really iggy for them. Can't talk to them. And as I said, listen to me as I said it. Listen to me as I said it. Learn to wash on pum pum. Learn to clean on pum pum. When you not done cleaning, get little Vaseline, get little Johnson baby oil, massage it up. Yes. That's why it me so tight and nice. Yes. Ask Adrian. Nice and clean. Me see me lay down and sleep with a man. And I don't know, years. When I sleep with them, me see them get up, they put on them clothes. Little nastiness, them get up, they put on them clothes and they go. Me see them go bed. Me never fuck and get up and put on clothes and go out with business. Me have to go bed. They say no, they don't have to bed. Because there's not even smell, they can't smell. That's how clean the pum pum is. Pretty pum pum, yes! Oh no, how fi clean no crutches. But yet you no come on people page and they give them problem. Yet you no come on people page and they give them problem. Go learn to clean on yourself. You know why some of them dick dead? They nasty. They don't know how to beard. They don't know how to kin over them cocky and wash it. They don't know how to do that. They nasty. Them na. Hey guys, leave my cousin alone. Leave my cousin alone. Leave my cousin alone, people. Rebecca, leave my cousin. Adrian, leave my cousin alone. Cause no bother cuss them. Cause don't bother cuss them. Breaks it, cause. Barbisha. Adrian. Barbisha, leave my cousin alone. What is this? Wanna leave her alone? Leave her alone. Leave her. Because you know they are very protective of me. Because they are very, very protective. See me other cousin come on here now too. Yes, you were fine. You were fine, Adrian. Adrian, you were fine. Barbisha and Cause, what I go on? Cause, how you do? See them might give one next one of your cousin Ellie. You look here, no leave my cousin alone. Me know. I know, cause listen, you don't know what's going on, cause. So it's like you came into a battle that there's a lot of bullets flying. And you just asked one innocent question. And if you notice that I didn't answer, Adrian, answer for me. Wanna leave my cousin alone. What that? Let me see. One blogger. What you say? You see one blogger the dance pan and then draw scratches yellow. Me see it too. And me them a try. Listen. Listen. Barbisha and Rebecca. I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin. When you hear me, because me see every comment. I see every comment, and when you hear I don't answer because Adrian already answered. But because all Barbisha and Rebecca know all them are ride me back, cause not take no offense of it, okay? Because all them are ride me back and do me bad. They are very, very, they defend me like you can't even imagine. So I apologize for them, cause, but it's okay, it's all good, okay? Those are my defenders and my moderators. All right, cuz? Exactly, Rebecca. Exactly. But there's a lot of stuff that a lot of people don't know, and I don't say it. So that's why certain questions, when I see them come up on the screen, I don't answer. I don't. Them are riding back like them are right. Yes! I know me back then for ride, you know. Denise, I know me back then for ride, you know. Then if you go and go ride the same thing out there. Then I have to go ride the same thing out there. Right now, cause my life is in danger, so I have to be hiding. My life is in danger. So when you don't see me on here in the light, and I'm always on the dark, because nobody can, you see, nobody know where I'm at. There's people after me. Hi everyone. Hi. There's people after me. And they're not going to stop. They're not going to stop until I stop them. Yes. Yeah, I will. I will, sweetheart. I will. I will. Yes, that's what I'm telling her. Cause believe me when I tell you. You see these defenders that I have, those are the only defenders I have. People doing me so bad. They're doing me so bad for no reason. And this is one thing that I will address right now. Because Ashanti, you don't know when somebody's trying to save your life. You do not know. I see you go at my son yesterday. Yes, you go at my son. People, my son went, hear him talking about me and Bella. Talking about me and Bella. And my son texted him and said, listen, stop calling my mom's name. Stop calling my niece's name. And this is just a warning to you. Oh no. Him jump off in himself and him gone and him gone. Ashanti, I am trying to save your life, honey. And I'm trying to make my kids not get themselves in trouble. Because you're not worth it. You're not worth it at all. Like literally not worth it. Like literally. And as I said before, anybody, and who want to take you up, take you up. Anybody who, when I look at my phone and my cash up on my Zelle and my cash, and I give it to you, I can't talk to you because I am the reason why you breed. I am the reason why you breed. I am the reason why you breed. If I give you my money and you buy food and clothes and make you shelter and all of then something there, and me make you be alive. Me make you be alive. So I will never, ever come and address anyone at una. Because I me make una shit and piss and breed. Me make una shit and piss and breed. So me can't argue with una. Yes, if me turn a pillar of salt, I who no cause me to turn a pillar of salt because God has show me a sign. I know everybody you can stretch out your hand and help. I know everybody who you can give things to. Because you will turn worthless like a them. Yes, you only have to pray to God that you not turn worthless like them. Who no just they know a bed. Who no just they know a good fridge. Some of you still not have a bed for yourself. Still don't have a bed for yourself. Who just they know a car. And the name of car. Who just they know a house. And I still no for you. So me can't argue with you no. But me they give you one more piece of warning. Chill. chill. Cause your company they tell people you have license gun and you have shut up. Shut up. You can't got no license gun. You can't. When your name enter another book, big old book in the courthouse, you can't get no gun. You don't have no gun. Might be a gun and riot you got they walk up and down with. But gun. But gun.